name is Wavua.
And this is Tito.
And we are going to make Rice Krispie trees.
For Rice Krispie treats, we need to use Rice Krispies, Blue Band, marshmallows, and butter.
And a pan and a spatula.
And a whipper, and a baking pan, and a large bowl. And Wavua. Eight, 9, 10. Once you have put your marshmallows, you melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a pan. If you want the marshmallows to melt faster, you can cut them into smaller pieces. And now we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of butter and melt them in the pan. And now this is my 3rd tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna melt it in the pan. And now the butter is melting.
So now we're gonna put the marshmallows into the pan.
So now you reduce the flame and keep mixing so that they melt together. So now as the mixture is melting, we put 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats inside the bowl. Now after you pour the big mixture into the Rice Krispies, you mix it up. So you coat the pan with some Blue Band so that the Rice Krispies don't stick on the baking pan.
Go. So now we're going to pour the mixture in.
And then we start pressing it down. You press it down like this. So now when the mixture becomes hard, you can cut them into squares. Like this. Bon appetit!